Hello traders and welcome to the video. This platform has been something I've been waiting for a month. I've been messaging the founder a ton and I'm very excited to show this to you guys today. This is Option Blitz. This is a platform where you can essentially trade a million different kinds of options on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not only that, this platform is also non-KYC. So that opens up this platform to a bunch of audience members who might be in the USA. So I'm going to cover how to use this, and we're going to cover the products, and then you can start going at it and start taking some trades here and there. Okay, so there are three main types of options, pun intended, you can use, which are classic vanilla options, touch, and no touch. Let's cover each, and then we'll move on to the next segment. A classic option is just a vanilla option. So you can see here, I can get a 10-minute, a 15-minute, I can get any kind of term that I want. If I want to have a 1 hour, I can really do anything I want here. So with the 10-minute, the premium is $26.75. So if I choose to buy one, I want price to go above this within that time span. And I would make, if it goes to 28,100, I would make a lot of money. And my risk is limited to just the premium. I can also buy a put, as you can see right here, just betting on the market going lower, okay? You can also do this on Ethereum, as you can see here. And you can see the premium in the right side right here where it says 1.47, okay? So if you want to get these, because it can be a little bit confusing how to get here, what you do is you hit plus. You're then going to hit classic, because that's what we're talking about right now. After you hit classic, you then can hit crypto, and then you hit Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever you want to use. Let's say I want to use Ethereum. I click that there. I already have it, so that's why it didn't load. Okay. Now, another option that you have are touch contracts. Now, a touch contract is basically within 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes, or whatever term that you so desire. You want price to touch that strike. So if it's touch call, I want price to touch 28,004 or whatever price I want. If it's touch put, I'm betting on the market falling and I want price to touch whatever price that is. I really like these contracts, especially because this isn't really offered anywhere else. Not anywhere where, you would probably need KYC in other places to do something like this. So I'm going to show you actually just the first trade on this. So you will have to use a MetaMask account for best possible results. So you can, if you want, use a Google account where this platform will create a wallet for you. But it's a lot better to use a MetaMask because if you do, there are no fees on the touch than no touch. So if you watch this, if I put $1 in to bet on, let's say price touch is 28,000 and the return's not that good, that's because there's a lot of volatility in the market. But just having a little bit of an increase in the price, isn't too crazy. So you can see that I have my option right there. Boom. I have put in $1 and if it touches 28,000, then I will receive my payout, okay? And you can see your wallet and all of this stuff right here. I have one-click trading and gasless trading ticked as well. And again, I am using a MetaMask wallet, but you can use a bunch of other wallets as well, such as a Google account wallet, but really it's not recommended because you will be paying fees on this. If you use just a MetaMask, you don't pay any fees. They actually cover a lot of the fees for you, hence gasless trading. So that's what a touch trade is. We just want one of these to be touched. I really don't recommend ever having both of these ticked because that would be a double touch. This is a single touch. Double touch means that both strikes need to be touched by 5 minutes, which is really not likely to happen in the slightest. It's a lot better just to do it this way. No touch is just very simple. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's basically saying where do you want price to not touch. So let's say that I don't think the price is going to touch, I don't know, let's say 27,980, then I can do a no touch contract right there and I would get a payout. Again, I don't think it's a good idea to tick both these because if you tick both of these, if any of them are touched, then you would end up losing money. So you can see I've already made money on my touch contract, which is hilarious. They don't pay you out right away. You have to always wait for the time till expiry. But because this dashed line was touched already, you're going to see in 3 minutes that I'm going to get paid out. And it's going to pop up in my feed right here, or you can see my other trades as well. No, some of these right there. Okay. So far, I am up money on this platform, just a little bit. So, yeah, and now we're getting a little bit of a pump. So right now, I mean, if I think that the pump's going to keep going, I could buy one of these, or if I think that price is about to tank after a bit of a stop loss on, I could buy a put for what, 26 bucks? Yeah. So that's what a touch and a no touch is. Let's go over the other things that you can do as well. So like I had said, this is your trades feed. You can see your trades today. If we go down to here, this is just the news. This is showing all of your open positions. Super easy way to see. You can see I'm in some pretty good positions right now, as you can see right there. And those positions are these right here. I was lucky enough to buy some calls really cheap, and I got some good fills there. And now I am benefiting from those cheap calls. And then also if we go down to here, you can see actually they have signals for the market as well. And then also chat if anyone else wants to chat on the platform right here. Additionally, I am a crypto YouTuber, but they do have other pairs as well. And this might interest a lot of people who use commodities or other metals or things like that, or Forex trading. You can actually do all these kinds of trades on Forex. So a big reason why I wanted to do a cover of this platform is a lot of it has to do with the fact that this is DeFi. So you actually own full rights to your own wallet. You don't have to worry about not being able to withdraw. Once you take a trade, which I did on the touch contract right here, once you take a trade, you can see that once I get paid out, I can do whatever I want with my MetaMask wallet. And that gives it a lot more safety. And that is a reason why I like this platform a lot more than other platforms like centralized, where you'd have to deposit, then pray that it's not a scam or something. This is something that once you get into a trade, it's locked in. So for better or worse, you're either going to make money or lose money, and then you can do whatever you want with that wallet. Okay? So in my private Discord, I'm covering a bunch of different strategies that you can use when it comes to arbitrage, hedging, alpha generation, lots of things. But I think that the main people who would benefit from this are probably people who have KYC issues, people who can't use KYC to trade options. This would give you a very good contract to be able to trade options with no liquidation price. So if you see here, if I want to do a 24-hour option, it's only 320 bucks for me to buy one, and I can buy partial. I could buy like 0.1, And the thing about this that is really, really nice is that, again, I'm buying an option, so I don't have to worry about liquidation, and the fees really aren't that bad, as you can see right here. If you go shorter term, the fees are almost nothing. Now, I said that there's really no fees. There are no fees on touch and no touch because that's built into the product itself. On the classic vanilla options, there are fees, but the fees really aren't that bad. It's 19 pennies for one contract, which is really not that bad. So in perfect timing, it looks like our touch call has just expired, and it did make money. Let's go see that here. So I just have to go to my positions right here. Where was it? Touch call. It's going to be loading here soon. Yeah, it did make me money. And there you go. Look at that. So I made 41 cents right there. So as you can see, the trade that I took live on this video, I made money from. It was just a $1 trade, but I made a profit of 41 cents. So I ended with 1.41 on this trade. And if we want to view this trade, they also allow you to look at past trades pretty easily. So this was my trade I initiated here. So you can see right there. And then, yeah, no, that wasn't the trade. It was this one, I think. Yeah, I initiated the trade. I'm trying to find which one the trade was. I think let me see, 1548, 610. It would be 610, yeah. 15 would be 1602, no, 1648. Sometimes it can be kind of hard to find these because I've taken so many trades on this platform, to be honest. But we know there was a $1 trade, and then it went well, though, at least. Well, I'm glad that trade went well. But yeah, as you can see, all my trades feed right here. Really, really cool platform. I have a link in the description below. We will see if there will be any benefits for users who click on my referral link down below. But if you do want to use this platform to give it a shot with your DeFi wallet or with generating your own wallet, you can by clicking the link in the description below. Additionally, there will be a link to my Discord that will detail how to make money from this platform. Happy trading, and let's go Option Blitz.